And then today I realized that if I don't love myself completely, then I'm going to look for that outside. And then if I find the love outside, then when it's there, I'm not going to accept it fully because I don't allow that. So I keep on looking for that outside, and it's not only with people, but in so many things. And this meditation that we just did, it really adds up with that the only thing that I have to do is just drop into the heart, and that's it. And it's really nice to forgive all those aspects that you mentioned, because it's so easy to look for the love outside, even though like you're telling all the time it is inside, but it's so easy to have that as a concept. And just the only thing that we have to do is just drop it to the heart all the time, and that's it. Thank you for this meditation, because it really helps to do that.
Yeah, it's what the masters say. They say, you know, is looking for somebody to love because you don't love yourself. It's like you are a river, you know, really a big river coming out, and stop and say, can I have a glass of water? And then you think you depend on the glass of water to be wet.
Yeah.
And then say, wait a moment, I'm gonna drop a little bit in myself. Oh, wow, I have a lot of water here. What we do is once we start looking, because when we stop looking, there is this empty sensation of, oh my God, I'm lonely. No, when you're lonely, it's a sensation of watching in front of you, the resistance that we have to ourselves, you know, all the judgments, is when you're lonely, you feel it there. So once you go through that, you say, hey, wait a moment, I'm not lonely. There is so much aliveness here. What I'm gonna do is to share with others the water that my river has, but I'm not gonna take from you because I don't need it. And when there is no neediness, there is the real love actually, you know, expressing itself, sharing itself. But again, this is part of, okay, I'm gonna try, and then the other time you try to look outside, there is suffering. Suffering is the number one, let's say, messenger who's telling you, hey, that's the wrong path. It's not outside, it's within.